Hi, in today's episode, we're going to learn how to say WH questions. For example, what, when, where, and why. So that you will be able to use WH questions specifically when you are going to travel and you are new in a specific place. So let's start with what. In Cebuano, we're going to say unsa. What, that is unsa. For example, what is that? You're going to say unsa mana. So it starts with unsa mana. Unsa mana. So you're going to ask a question. Unsa mana. So when? Kanusa. So you're going to say when will that be? Kanusa mana mahitabo. When are you going to Cebu City? Kanus aman ka mo adtog og Cebu City? When will be your expected arrival here in the Philippines? Kanus aman ka maabot diri sa Philippines? When will be your departure? Kanus aman ka mogikan? So those are how you're going to ask question in when. Where? Asa. For example, you are going to ask, where is this place? So you're going to say, asa man nga lugar. Where? Asa. Place, lugar. So, asa man siya nga lugar. For example, asa man ang Dumaguete. Where is Dumaguete City? So, asa man ang Dumaguete City? Of course, Dumaguete City is in the Philippines. And Dumaguete City is a very nice place to stay. So you can ask Philippine Dreams YouTuber, I don't know who is his name, but you can ask him where is Dumaguete City, and I know he is already staying in Dumaguete City for long years, so you can ask him. Next, we already have what, when, where, why. So why? In Cebuano, you are going to say, ngano. Ngano. Why are you crying? Nganong ninghilak man ka? Why you hate him? Nganong galagot man kaniya? Nganong galagot man kaniya? So those are just example of WH questions. So next time you will be able to discuss further on different WH questions so that you will be able to understand well. So that's all for this time. See you next meeting. Thank you for watching. This is Francis Imoy, aka Isco. See you next meeting. Bye-bye.